In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new listing with variations on eBay. This process is perfect for those of you selling items that come in multiple sizes, colors, or styles, and it's a fantastic way to keep your storefront organized and buyer-friendly. Let's dive right in and explore each step to get your listing up and running efficiently. First, we need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you have your credentials handy or use your saved information if your browser or eBay app remembers your details. Once you're inside your account, look for the option to start a new listing. You'll usually find this under the Sell section in your dashboard. Click this to kickstart the process of creating your new listing. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a category for your item. It's very important to select a category that supports variations, as not all categories on eBay allow this option. Keep in mind the nature of your product. For example, if you're selling clothing, choose something like men's clothing or women's accessories depending on your specific items. Now, with the category set, look out for the option that says Create Variations. This is usually visible right on the same page after choosing your category. Clicking this will enable you to set up the variations needed for your listing. This is where the magic starts happening, as you'll be able to offer all versions of your product under a single item listing rather than multiple separate ones. After selecting the Create Variations option, it's time to get into the details. Here you'll specify the attributes of your variations, such as size, color, or style. For instance, if you're listing a t-shirt that comes in small, medium, and large, and also in different colors, you'll want to add each size and color combination here. This helps buyers visualize the full range of options you provide and makes for a seamless shopping experience. Once your variations are all set, the visual appeal needs attention. You'll want to upload images for each variation you've added. High quality images that accurately represent the colors and styles are crucial. Use clear, well-lit photographs to showcase each option. This will help buyers make informed decisions and reduce returns or questions from potential buyers. Next, adjust the prices and quantities for each variation. It's important to assign the correct pricing to different variants if they differ. For instance, larger sizes might be priced differently. Also, keep track of your inventory and set the quantities accordingly to avoid overselling, which might lead to having to cancel orders and potentially disappointing your customers. Finally, review all the information to ensure accuracy, and when you're ready, hit the publish button. This will make the listing live and available for buyers to peruse. Congratulations! You've successfully created a dynamic listing with multiple variations on eBay. Remember to monitor your listing to make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to setting up a variation listing on eBay. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and as always, feel free to ask questions in the comments if anything was unclear. Happy selling!